Welcome back. I am Pragya Mishra and I am the AVP of Customer Success and Operations at Courseplay. Courseplay is a 360-degree employee growth platform. We have the versatile Shweta Sharma, who comes with over 20 years of experience in consulting and working with more than 50 organizations. She's currently working as the head of learning and development at Shubham Housing Development Finance Company. So let's delve into this right away, which is how does mobile learning facilitate personalized learning experiences and how does gamification help in enhancing the learning experience?
See, they definitely are, they play a very, very crucial role, especially your mobile app. It has to be agile. It should be able to offer you different features. The LMS that we chose, it's very mobile friendly. It has to be because most of our stuff is on the go out there. So our LMS, we are facilitating a lot of different types of trainings and learnings through our LMS, and the trainings we design and the content we post is also specifically designed for mobile learning. Actually, so when we are designing a content, when we're posting and uploading a content, we are keeping in mind that a mobile learner is going to access it, not a desktop learner. So it helps us reach out to our learners at ease. Then our LMS also happens to be gamified, so where people earn points, right? So we for different kind of interactions they do with our content, so they are earning points. So when they earn points, it gives us a lot of eye to what is what is engaging them and what's not engaging them. So it helps us gauge the engagement levels. We are now also creating a reward system for learners who are more engaged than the others, just to fuel them and motivate them to come up and finish content, not finish content but refer to the content that we have created specifically for them.
My question is now a bit more specific to gamification. In your experience personally, have you seen that gamification actually makes an impact on the initiative a learner takes?
It does. I mean, there are no two ways about it. It does because people feel more motivated to come up and feel more centered with you. It gives a purpose and direction to what you're trying to do. So I mean, there's just a lot of work I've done in and around gamification, and the most simple and the most common of gamification methods are PBL, which is points, badges, and leaderboard. And then there are so many other methods. Gamification, the moment we say gamification, we think about points and we think about badges, we think about leaderboard. But learning is gamified. If you see the natural course of learning, it is gamified. There's always some purpose around it. There's always something next. If you look at your personal informal learning, you're doing it because there is next step to it. You realize that it's important for you to learn this and therefore reach that next step. And gamification is like really as vast as you can really think of. The whole human living experience is actually a learning experience. Whenever you update yourself, you've learned something, and there was always a reward associated for you with it. Gamification is as wide as that.
And the way you explained about the fact that every learner is looking at achieving something, and it's not just a new skill but an additional reward point or visibility on their success is an important factor. I mean, everyone wants that recognition. So thank you for that point.